Hey, what's up, everybody? How's it going? Today's Tuesday, July 13th, 2021. This is episode number 6 on the series of 100 Days of Option Trades. My name is Logan. New to the YouTube. Sorry about the headset. This is all I have for a microphone, so that's what we're rolling with. But yeah, let me show you guys how my options are doing. So, da 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 da. Let's pull up my options tracker sheet on Google. Give me just a second here, boy. Give me just a second. Shrink that down a little bit more. So let's pull that up. There we go. So here's all the positions I'm in. Here's my Palantir. I'm gonna hang on to this thing as long as I can. 432 put. We actually got stopped out on this. Let me see. Right now it's going for 274. So technically we got stopped out at 3. So that's our exit price. We lost 26%, minus $107. Doo. But so let's close this. It's going to show 271 because the stops are not working on paper trading, which is unfortunate. But so really I lost a little bit more. But if the stops were working, it would have been exit at 3. So we still lost on that one. That's not too good. The JD call is actually up 35%, so we're positive 200 bucks on this thing. I had a target of 755, and that was worth how much? And this is worth 7 right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put a limit order for 7. Let's close that out since we already had a loss. Oh, almost bought it there. Let's close this. Limit order of 7. Preview. Send. So that'll be open. A Heartland call. So we did this yesterday. We're down 40%. So we're negative 25 bucks only, and this one's down 15 bucks. You know, each stock only went down about a percentage point today, so I'm not too worried about that. Palantir is also down pretty big over this whole week or two, so that's getting a little bit lower. I might even go ahead and lock in a long-term Palantir call. Hey, let's go check it out. PLTR. Let's go check. This would be a leap option, so you don't get to see on this account. I haven't traded any leaps, but I do want to trade some leaps just because, yeah, it's a good value. So here's the strikes on the leap. So it's only 550 to get into this leap for 2023 $25. It's really, you know, not too bad at all. So let's see. A couple weeks ago, this was at about $9. Back when Palantir stock really shot up, went up to 21, 13. So we're kind of buying almost at the rock bottom here. Just gonna snag one of these. I'm gonna snag it. So $25. Let's go ahead and just buy this. Let's only buy one. Market. Preview. Send. So it's queued. It's open. Filled. So we bought let's put this on the sheet for you here. Today is, what did I say? 07 13/21, Tuesday. Yep. So Palantir, January 23 call. We bought this at 25 strike. Call 1. What did we buy it for? We bought it for 547. I don't know, bro. I think we bought it for 547, so we'll just say that. We'll say I think I did 550. We'll do 550. Stop loss. Let's set this stop loss pretty low at like 4. Even like 3.75. So we're losing 125. We'll leave it at 4. Stop loss 4. Price target of 8.5. These are all open. Try and close this one at 7. We'll see. That would be a $215 gain. That would be icy. I don't think we're going to hit that today, but we're close. We're close. So I have $1,500 being actively traded right now. Really not bad. Let's go back to my chart, see the accurate gain and loss. We have, if my JD call closes here today, we'd be profitable. We'd be $278 in the green for profit, which would be absolutely dope. So yeah, 278 bucks if that trade closes. I'm at a 43% win percentage, 7 trades so far. Average winner 184 bucks, average loser 66. Keep the risk reward to high. That way we could lose a little bit more often. So did I close my SPY? Yeah, I closed the SPY put. Let's do manual exit, or no, stop loss it. We closed it 7/13/21, held it for 4 days. Stop loss hit. We entered that on Friday? I didn't take good notes on there, but it's whatever. So we got these two are earnings plays, earning play, Palantir, long-term play, leap option. Cool. So we're in. We're in Palantir. Let's see if we can find something else to trade today. Let's go back to markets. Stocks to buy this week. This is what I added yesterday. So Delta's down. All of these companies are down. TSM is actually up. Progressive. Let's check out Progressive. I don't think we looked at this one yesterday. They beat their last earnings. The earnings have all been positive. This is the 6-month chart. Let's go ahead and throw on the RSI. Oh, it's trading right in the middle, kind of not overbought, not oversold. So here's the RSI. So you see right down here, this means that it's oversold. So when it gets close to this, would be a good signal to buy. You'd be buying right at this red candle, and it would have gone up a little bit. So, that's not always the case. Because it said right here, oh, it hit the, it's going low. You could buy it, but it's kind of just a fake out and end up going lower. But yeah, this is just a quick general measure to see things. Let's go ahead and do the studies. I'm gonna do moving average. Yeah, exponential. 21 days, blue. What underlay means, but we're gonna do that. I wish this would save. I don't know why the studies don't save on my charts, but so it's above the 21-day EMA. We got an earnings play coming up. So the last earnings, it dropped drastically. The last one, it dropped. One after that, it actually kind of went up a little bit. So let's check out the last 3 days. There we go. It's actually dropped a significant amount
Battery low.
between yesterday and today. So we're gonna kind of wait and see. Let's check the options. See the leap options on this. See, this leap's $1,000. A little too bougie for me. Sleeps 540 for the. Not, that's not horrible. Progressive stock at a high was at 106. It's going back to 2016. It was $31. You can see. Oh shit. Zoom in a little bit. Getting a little too crazy here. You can see anytime it falls below this 200 moving average, it jumps back up pretty quick. Here, here, here it went down, briefly went back up. Here it went down and came back up. Kind of same for here. This is going over a course of months, of course, but it's below 2 moving average. What do you guys think? Should I buy an option on this? Let's check July. This is going to be 3 days to expiration. No, it's too bougie for me. Too bougie. November. So this November, 129 days, is $4.50. And you go here to January for 3 more months is only like $1. Man, I might want to buy this. What do you guys think? Should I buy this? Should I not buy it? We'll leave it there for now. Actually, let's go throw the options. Let's throw that January 22. Let's add it to the watch list. We'll add it to the watch list. Let me check my other source of news, Mr. Twitter. This guy is great, Stock Dweebs. Here's his weekly shoutouts. Go to his website, Stock Dweebs. Been following this guy for about 2 years, and he's always giving pretty good calls here. So he has this nice website, tells you kind of when to buy, his targets. So just kind of like to check and see if anything hit his target. So Etsy here just barely is in his target range, $190. See what else we got. Activision's getting close, not quite there. PayPal. Let's go check out Etsy on Etrade. Etsy, really popular company here. Last 5 days it was at 196. Now it's at 189. The last month, it's down to 160 and it went all the way up to 205. So it's still kind of overextended. I'd like to buy this at 185-ish, I would say. That kind of goes in line with the dweebs. Yeah, 185, 179, 190. So we'll just stick to the Palantir long call today. My JD actually did sell, so we did profit out on that JD. It just sold out. Just double check this account positions. Yeah, JD got sold out, so update the sheet real quick. We made $7, so there we go, or $700. We made 215 on that one, which is sweet. Let's do manual exit. 713.21. Exited trade for 215 profit. 44%. So that is freaking awesome. That I wish I would have bought a few more of those. You know what I mean? But yeah, 44%. Good trade. Sure. I'm just putting notes in. I need to kind of keep track of this time of entry. So this Palantir we bought what? 10 minutes ago, 9:49, 10:49. So let's just say 10:45. Cool, man. So yeah, that's the lesson for today. That's the episode. Zoop, shrink me back up. So if you guys want to see any, as usual, if you want to see any option stocks, just comment below. Let me know. If you guys like what I'm doing, leave a like. That'd be awesome. I'm kind of new to YouTube, so this is gonna be my first kind of. I'm doing a 100-day series, and we're just gonna see how it goes. Let it ride and see how it goes. And I'm gonna try and post every day and go from there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.